Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316, that's the 160 brake. We would class this as a workshop utility tyre fitter's van because of the air compressor in the back. It's direct from lease with a warranted 67,000 miles. So it's got flashing beacons front and back. Full length stripe can be added on request. Rear door chevrons, so all Chapter 8 compliant. This vehicle's also rear wheel drive. And after being a 69 reg does mean it's ULEZ Euro 6 in going to the clean air zones free of charge. But I'll show you the compressor workshop setup in the back. So in the back you got your checker plate flooring, mat racking on both sides. There's your compressor. Obviously got your air line. This pulls out to a very long distance, so it's perfect for a tyre fitter. Vice, workbench, pull-out drawers, LED lighting. All this racking is absolutely brand new. So as we go into the cab, seats all nice, clean and tidy, no rips or tears. After these Sprinters have got a very good spec. So you got all your steering wheel controls, cruise control, auto lights. So I'll just show you how to engage the compressor. So vehicle into fourth, and you lift the compressor handle up. Obviously you can hear the compressor kick in, come slowly off the clutch. Obviously there's the compressor kicking in. Disengage that. You've got obviously Apple CarPlay as well, all of your apps, Google Maps, beacon on and off. Obviously got your run lock as well. Any other questions at all, please give me a shout.